Crows are among the most intelligent birds. They are full of mystery and surprising habits. They can recognize human faces, remembering who treats them kindly or badly, and may even warn others. When one dies, groups gather quietly, almost like a funeral, to learn about possible dangers. They are also skilled tool makers, shaping sticks or bending wires into hooks to reach food. Beyond survival, crows enjoy fun, sliding on rooftops, tossing sticks, or teasing animals. Their memory is sharp, allowing them to hide food and find it months later. They communicate in dialects and can mimic human speech. Sometimes, grateful crows bring shiny gifts to people who feed them. Even more impressive, they solve puzzles equal to young children, like dropping stones into water to raise the level and get food. Crows also show adaptability, thriving in forests and even cities by eating almost anything and learning new ways to survive. Their intelligence, gratitude, and resilience hold timeless lessons for us all.